y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Alright, gotta keep it a little crazy, man. They're like, what is this guy on? I'm sober. Alright. Stay sober, man. Happy Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Shout out to LRH and Cash for the video. Original video will be in the description. Today we got a police chase of a Dodge Charger RT fleeing from a traffic stop. So it was two ASP Chargers pulled over. I just seen that Charger whip out too, as the other one did. But the white one's gonna get on the back of the black one. They got a blue one to the right. So he's pacing them at about 80 miles per hour. The Charger has its hazards on for whatever reason. If the cops catch the guy running, I'm gonna clap it up for him. You seen I just put the donuts back. Usually, the last chase, it was Trooper Bird involved. They got the donut and I clapped it up for him. But you'll have to check out that video and find out exactly how they got that donut, because I don't just always give out the donut. Is this the undefeated black Charger? Thumbnail. Hey y'all, let's get 10 likes on this video. 10 likes, let's go. 10 likes. Why are you trying to open the door? The fuck he trying to open the door for? Skirt, smashed off on his ass. So they had the blue Charger already in pursuit. They got the slow ass Hemis winding up. Here we go. Another day in Arkansas. I'm doing Charger RT chases back to back. This is a Gen 3, the last one was a Gen 2. So he does the do-si-do move on them, get off the freeway, get back on the freeway. We all know what this is. They must have a V6 in that blue model of the Charger. It was obviously a cop. But he had like the race me spec, like, yeah, I want to race in this Charger. Then he turns on the light and it's a freaking cop. So damn, this cop, this chase was over 130, bruh. He's just going faster and faster. How, dog? This is crazy, y'all. Let's get 10 likes, bro. Over 140 miles per hour on this pursuit. Excuse me, man. My throat's scratching, I guess, itching. Yeah, that cop was could have maxed out doing that move. Wheel hop and all type of shit. That did not end good. What the hell? He tore that Charger up. That's gonna be the next on that co-part, with the YNs rebuilding it. So you can see how this blue Charger, he was in position just in case. And this was a simple ticket, mind you. I understand that yanking on it. Why he trying to open the doors? I don't get that still. Alright, I think this blue Charger was Hemi powered as well. But obviously it didn't have a push bar. So they let the push bar unit go ahead and do what it does. Let's see if this blue Charger was able to get up to speed with the white Charger, bro. This thing might be a V6. It's the gap for me. If you really wanted to go that fast, I think you should probably just be a cop. Oh my god, sorry. Maybe I need something to drink. But definitely have something to eat here. See, this is where the cop could have maxed out right here. Don't move, Mr. Cop. Couldn't even get the door open. Mr. Clown. Check him out. So the driver hopped out. So the passenger is severely hurt.
Yeah, black belt. Hey, black belt. Green shorts.
Dog, you mess around and hurt one of your friends, bro? Why you trying to run from the Jakes?
On the exit ramp of MLK Joe 70 East. Oh my God. 11 out.
It was an ambulance that pulled over. It's a female subject in the back.
Black belt. Green shorts. Green shorts. Green shorts.
Dog, this audio is traumatizing. The fact they not even trying to open the door and like mess with him and put him in handcuffs. That's how you know it's actually gruesome. What they seen is gruesome. He keeps asking them for help.
Listen, okay, listen to me. We got LifeNet personnel right here, okay? All right, hold on. You with me? Just hold on 1 second, okay? It's gonna be a minute, all right? All right, it's gonna be a minute. Okay.
Like, bro, why try to run in a Charger? You feel me? Like, too much gas around the corner and you whipping around. The back just whipping around. If you in a RS6, you know what I mean? I see you, like, you know what I mean? I'm not stopping, bro. It's the murder wagon.
I don't know where he called he kept running to.
Westbound on Brand. Yeah, he's going westbound on Brand. I'll put white t-shirt, blue jeans, and look like red.
Another unit stop, but he just jumped the barrier down.
You're like westbound. I'm passing around now. I'll be there in a second.
Damn, so that was the end of it. That ended gruesome. That ended mad gruesome, y'all. Please take note of what y'all seeing, bro. I don't condone running from the police. I'm pulling out the donuts. But that guy's friend got hurt. Let's smash the like button. 10 likes. Lift off mob. I know y'all can do it, bro. That ain't nothing. 10 likes. Because I thought it was the undefeated charger. So, you know what I mean? Hence the thumbnail. I didn't finish my last donut from the ASP got caught somebody, so. Cheers. Cheers, boys. Wait. Let me clap it up. Good job, ASP. You did it again. Two chargers in 1 month. 2 black chargers in 1 month. 2 days apart. 2 black chargers. Obviously, both of them were black males. Like, bro, I don't know what we're thinking. These YNs, bro. Crazy. Do y'all like these donuts? It's not frosting in here. It's custard. Any cops watching? Let me know. I'm trying to have some cop subscribers. Like, I be like seeing them on the side of the road or like sitting somewhere and I'm like, want to flag them down and just be like, yo, I'm JTSpeeds. Just go ahead, pull out your phone. I know you watch YouTube. Tune in on my police chases, bro. Tell me a story or two. I'll get on the phone with a cop. Bada boom, bada bang. He off duty, you feel me? He giving me the chase stories. He like, man, we couldn't catch that McLaren that was speeding on Big Beaver. You know what I mean? I'm from Michigan, by the way, y'all. So. It's hella cars out here. I don't know about y'all state, but like, people call the police out here, don't chase boys. Like, they not even about to chase. They not about to embarrass themselves to turn on lights. You feel me? But every state varies. It's different. I give my reactions to this type of stuff because in GTA, right? I've been in many police chases on the GTA RP server in Woodward, you feel me? I'm still here. My boy's still here, you feel me? We logged back in. We got back on the next GTA server. That's why y'all need to do 10 likes. Cause I know what I'm talking about. I've in GTA got away in that same charger. In GTA, the same charger. I'm capping. It was a Gen 2 and it was a V6 in GTA. But I'm just saying, it's all driver mod. You feel me? And depending on where you're at. Obviously, I don't condone running from the police. You don't know what type of time you get in with this type of shit. Anyways, I'm going to close this out. If you want to join the Liftoff mob, smash the subscribe button. Hey, let's get this to 10 likes. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this chase. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
But you know I get faded, yeah. I do that cause I made it, Yeah, Jerry, bitch, we dated, yeah, we dated. But I never made that statement, no, I won't. I seen a odd miller spin around, yeah. Spin a block, man, I'm getting